Namaste Vidyapeeth. I am Muskan Kumari from the Department of Science and Technology, and I am working here as an assistant professor in JVWU Women's University and the Faculty of Education and Mythology. So it's well known to all of you that you all are the students of the BTech sixth semester, and your basic subject's name is the basic introduction towards the data science like the big data and Hadoop, isn't it? So now this is your second session. Just before this, I have also made the one sessions, which is the basic introduction towards the data science. Clear. So now today I will discuss the what are the web-based applications, isn't it? Example of the web-based applications. So to make it easy understanding to you, I am just going to share some files. So please hold one minute. Yes, here. Okay, this one is the file. So I will discuss these topics today. Clear? So now here, example of the intelligent web application. Before you all were aware about these words, web applications, isn't it? Whatever the applications you are using, and that is running on with the help of the internet, that's it known, or that all are known as the web applications. But here one thing also attached with this web application, that name is the intelligent. Clear. So now, what is the intelligent web applications? If we talk about the intelligent web applications, the intelligence or there are some techniques which is like you can say that the man-made techniques we have been built in the applications we have designed in that application or embedded with that applications is known as the intelligent web applications. Clear. So now, the intelligent web applications also referred to the Web 3.0 involves the idea that the World Wide Web pages and sites and also its applications you are transforming the techniques into these ones. Clear. So applications will continue to embed with the artificial intelligence. Here you can see that the artificial intelligence terminology is attached with these ones, and you have well aware about the artificial intelligence. Clear. So whatever the techniques and the methods and some approaches or the algorithm which is the part of the artificial intelligence is just used in the web-based applications or designing of the web-based applications to make them efficiently usable for the users. Clear? So, what the contrast of Web 3.0 from Web 2.0 to this system of highly network but not very artificially intelligent web apparatus. Clear. So now what? Some of the background of the intelligent web has already been laid, like the protocols like JSON and semantic web. There are the skeleton systems in the place of the cell, which is used for sharing and managing the data repository in new ways. Isn't it? Here you are thinking that the in web applications there might be some database which is basically what's working of that to managing that data and also sharing that data. Sharing in the sense the communication of the data. Communication like the fetching and retrieving and storing of the data. Clear? So these all managing and sharing of data is done with the help of new techniques or the methods, which is the part of the artificial intelligence that helps you to get that data very fastly, efficiently, and the integrity of data is maintained. Clear? So these all factors should be kept in mind to during the processing of the data. Clear? And this is basically done with the help of the new technology that's named here is the artificial intelligence. Now come to the at the same time artificial intelligence and machine learning is the part of the artificial intelligence. So here we are calling that the artificial intelligence and machine learning are revamping softwares. Clear? In which you are inventing these technology, these techniques. Whose techniques? These artificial and machine learning techniques by using the multiple algorithm. Who will be best fitted for that processing and that working. Clear? So cloud and software as service are bringing those applications to the web. So, what in the clouds and the web applications are also using those applications. Whose applications are using the advanced technology like artificial intelligence technology and the machine learning. Isn't it clear? So now experts have different ideas about the what experts say. Experts say that there are the different idea. What about the intelligent wave, or you can also say like the wave 3.0 is going to look like the, however, a general consensus is that the interface will changes. You can see here that the interface is getting the changes as like I will also say like this, the Google Chrome and each every the where the index is already fulfilled, isn't it? So there are some techniques which is invented in that one that they will show you the all the recently tabs whatever you are search. They show that things firstly in your, isn't it? And you can see that these all techniques, whatever the web-based application is day to day updated with the help of new advanced technology, isn't it? In which some more features, advanced features are going to be designed, which helps the users to easily access and makes their working very easily, and also helps the time limit. It says time limit means in less time they can work very very huge amount of work they can done during the lesson. Clear? So now, if you talk about the wave, like so, instead of bringing the passive environments where users surf the wave, the wave applications will more proactive, more functional, and more capable of having the conversation with the users. Correct? Some of the design of the intelligent wave miners, wave mirrors, the kinds of the sciences is also natural speech processing languages and other technology will bring the radically different interfaces that extends to also the parts of the intelligent wave and other key advances. Isn't it? You can use in various web-based applications. You are using these techniques. And why we are calling it the big data? Big data is what? Big data is basically maintaining your the data and the databases. Clear? So that is the big data. So, if we talk about the machine learning is also as a part of the artificial intelligence. Now you can see that why we are using in machine learning and artificial intelligence, isn't it? So these all are the techniques which is involved during the designing of the web-based application nowadays. Clear? So here the machine learning and artificial is also. So machine learning is also in the part of the artificial intelligence. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are interconnected, however, they are not synonyms. They are not the synonyms of one another, but they are interconnected, isn't it? One is the part and another is the sub part of that one. Clear? So this is the relationship here, machine learning and artificial intelligence. And let's define both terms and find out the differences. Now, artificial intelligence is the intelligent machine that can accomplish various specific tasks in human-like manner, easily adapting to different situations. Artificial intelligence is what? They are giving some intelligent techniques, or they are producing that type of intelligent machines that can perform like the human being and also adapt the different situations who is possessed by the humans. Clear? Possessed by the humans or now, if we talk about the machine learning is the branch of the artificial intelligence, an approach on which every AI is based. So, it allows software applications to adapt by learning from users' habit and the preferences. Clear? So, this is the basically what machine learning is a part of your artificial intelligence, and it allows the software applications basically to adapt the learning techniques from the user's habit, and also preferences that. Okay, so here you are seeing that the term here is the learning machine. Learning machine was first coined in 1955 by the Arthur Sherman. He defined it is the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. You didn't need to be programmed, but the ability to learn. He has the ability to learn. Okay, so if we talk about the again the basic definition, the statement clearly defines that main benefit of the machine learning instead of writing thousand lines of code, specific rules and instructions, you let the software learn from the large amount of data and real world interaction. It means that whatever you are writing the thousands of the code for performing one specific task or one specific operation. So instead of that, you can use this algorithm in the few lines of code, and they will work similar whatever you have done with the thousands line of code. Clear? So there are some regions for AI implementation in web-based development or web-based application. First is the faster. So what is the importance of this AI and ML? Whatever we are using or embedded in nowadays in the web-based applications. Clear? So here is the some reasons behind that things. First reason is the faster searching. Isn't it? It helps you. This technology, AI and ML, helps you for the faster searching, and customer want to reach information as soon as possible. Isn't it? So for this reason, voice-based research is being more and more popular. Okay? Now you are seeing that there is one technology which helps you that the voice recognition. Isn't it? This is the now in the technique. So here this is done on the help of the AI techniques. Clear? So here this is doing the for faster searching. Suppose if you have don't want to type the URL box for searching something, then you can use the voice recognition, voice recognition button, which is like the Google Assistant type, isn't it? Then for your faster searching. So, like the for this reason, voice-based research is being more and more popular. Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana are used by thousands of users for only one reason. For what reason? Fast accessing of the information and fast accessing of the data. Clear? If you have an outline shop, a voice-based search could help you customers to find the needed answer and purchase much faster. This is also done in the help of the shop, either in grocery shop, in multiple shops. There are so many gathering at the shop, local shops, and any other shops and malls. So what happening here? If you are using these things, what voice-based searching, then it helps you very easily way to purchasing the things or to purchasing the some groceries and anything whatever you want in very fast way. Okay, in fast way. Now, second terms is what? What benefits? Second is for better interactions. So, chatbots are new trend that significantly improves the communication with the customers. There is one thing also that is the chatbot. Chatbot is basically used for the better interactions and also improves the customers' communications. And modern chatbot can substitute the whole customer support team and provide a much better assistance. Clear? So, machine learning based chatbots are able to communicate naturally and respond to the most complex questions also. Isn't it? Even if they're absolutely not connected to your products or the website. Don't hesitate to implement that chatbot. Now, third will be the what customized user experience. What is the customized user experience? The whenever you are creating with a website with an AI and understand the customer's requirement better. Such the website will help you to gather the customers' preferences, also browsing history and even the locations. Clear? So this will helps you to customize the user's experience, and you can also provide a better customer experience by updating your own UI and accordingly and suggesting information your customer is actually interested. Now, if we talk about the personalized store experience, what is the personalized store experience? If you want to engage more customers and make their shopping experience more personalized, the implementation of AI solution, the implementation of the AI solution may also help to your online shopping is must, isn't it? That is basically used for your personalized store or personalized data storing. Okay. So for the customer user experience more personalized, the implementation of AI solutions to your online shopping is must. It will help to make the customer feel as if everything is in your online store was created exactly for him, isn't it? At that dish, there are some various categories are divided in that category. Subcategories are divided through which you can easily purchase your all the things and all the similar type of the data and homogeneous type of data are categorized under one clusters, isn't it? This type all the products are categorized, so it is very easy or personalized store of the experience for the customers. It will create a real shopping atmosphere and also motivate to make the purchases. Clear? So now effective marketing strategy. If we talk about the effective marketing strategy, then what? AI technology also helps the marketing predictions on what it is demand. Okay. So by analyzing customers' behavior, you can find out what and when the customer is planning and purchasing the things and what type of product he likes and dislikes. Clear. So this is we can do this type of things in very easy way, that liking and disliking of the project, adding and removing of the projects, isn't it? What type of product like and what type of product is not good for him. So they are going to decide that things. Collecting of such data will highlight and pros and cons of your online shop, what changes to make in that orders during. You can say these all the things clear. So now, if we now that this is the basic things which I have to discuss today, that the example of a web-based application, and this web-based application is used with the help of advanced technologies, and technology name is the artificial intelligence, isn't it? So you can see here the example. First is the Google Assistant. Google Assistant is now trending the web-based application, and it is an excellent voice-to-text technology and preferred example of the artificial intelligence. This is the smart personal. This is this is the smart personal assistant can answer any questions immediately, whatever you will ask today, and by searching an answer to the internet. And what they are using the pattern matching techniques, which is the part of the artificial intelligence in the machine learning, and they are just matching your text to the internet and fetch that data. You just say, "Hey Google, plus your questions," and she will detailed answer to your the questions. Clear? Now Netflix, another AI that are constantly using is Netflix. This is a leading entertainment company that enables the users to access the numerous of the cartoons, series, and movies of different genres. However, this is not only a hub of the movies but also a great predictive systems. Clear. So now there is one more applications, web-based application, that name is the Grammarly. Grammarly is the advanced grammar checker that does the job of many editors. That also gives the job to many editors and teachers of English. It is able to correct spelling and style, pronunciations, punctuations, and even detect the plagiarism also. Okay, so it underlines all the mistakes and suggests the correct variant, and it also offers range of the synonyms and to every words and improve the style according to the type of paper you are writing and your preferences. Isn't it? Now, create your intelligent web app with the divide. Divide. You can create any web applications with the divide. So how? If you got inspired by the successful example and the benefits of the AI, don't doubt on the implementation of the AI into your business. So divide team is always at your service. We know how to build the intelligent web applications based on the machine learning and natural processing NLP. You can also say the natural language processing is like the NLP, and just share your idea with us and we will bring it to the live. This is just basically to sharing of the ideas, and that idea will convert it to design with a web application which is based on the DeepMind. Clear? So there are five examples of artificial intelligence web applications. Your firstly Google and Microsoft using the image recognition or voice recognition. Clear? So Google Docs powered by the natural, there is a Google Docs which is basically designed over the natural language processing. So modern web based application can also be fueled with the cognitive capabilities to make you understand and apart from other apps. Instances of this include transforming human speech to text or conversing the people in natural language processing. Clear? So now, if we talk about the web-based artificial intelligence chatbot is also based on the new advanced technology, artificial intelligence. Isn't it chatbot or just like the app-based chatbot? And they interact with the users in the website browsers. They use AI techniques such as the natural language processing and understanding and pattern recognition to distinguish between the context. Now, if we talk about the web-based code helper using AI, web-based code helper using AI, intelligent coding assistant are gaining the popularity with their ability and also to make them understand the code and provides right suggestions at the right time. Clear? So they can analyze on the web and give fast and smart completion. So these are all basic about the concluding. Once again, I just want to conclude this topic by giving the main meanings. Now, today's basically the station of your example of intelligent web application, but I have discussed also that these applications is designing on which advanced technology. That advanced technology is basically known as the artificial intelligence, isn't it? So all the web-based application is the basically embedded with the part of the artificial intelligence in which we are using the artificial intelligence and the machine learning technology. Here, so machine learning technology is a part of the artificial intelligence technology. And here there are some regions behind which we are developing the web-based applications with AI and ML. So for what? Faster searching, better interactions, and customized for the user experience, and also the personalize the store experience and effective marketing strategy, isn't it? Now, if we talk about the example of the web-based application, there are multiple examples like the Google Assistant, Netflix, which is used as entertainment, Grammarly, and we can also create any web applications with the divide. Okay, so that is similar as here. The Google and Microsoft using the image recognition, we have designed this, and the Google Doc powered by natural language processing and web-based artificial intelligence chatbot, and then web-based application code helpers using the AI. Okay, so if you have any problem in this session, then please do share with me your comments and your questions using the comment section box, through which I will check and discuss that your query with next session in the next session. And then will be multiple questions will be arises through these topics like the define the artificial intelligence chatbot, which is web based. So, can you explain how this is happening and what is the importance of this one, or what is the role of natural language processing in the docs file, and isn't it? What is image recognition in the Google and Microsoft? How Google Assistant working this type of, isn't it? On which factors web-based applications affects, isn't it? So then you can roughly can understand that web-based application. Yes, this is based on the advanced technology. That's technology name is AI, and their effects is all. Okay, so please read this with several standard books and also follow the several comment sites. Okay.